Hi there, Bridget Mackay from the law offices of Bridget Mackay. We're here in Petaluma, California, but this video blog really addresses laws that apply throughout the state. Some of you may not know, but part of a niche of my practice is to work with people who are looking at placing a loved one in long-term care. And we get a lot of calls into our office, so I really want to be clear about kind of the area and the situation in which we can help you and what we cover. So, some basics. Medi-Cal is available, just like it's available for food for families or aid for dependent children. Medi-Cal has a program for the aged and disabled that will help pay for any long-term care if they are to qualify. So that is the area in which I work. Someone who would qualify for that Medi-Cal program, by the rules, they're either 62 years or older, so they're aged, or disabled, so in some way not able to complete an activity of daily living. They have, if they're a single person, either $2,000 in exempt assets, or if they're a married couple, it's $126,420 they can have in exempt assets. When you meet that initial criteria, come talk to us, because there is, even though you're sitting there saying, well, I have more than $2,000 in my checking account, or my house is worth way more than $126,000, there are so many voluminous regulations where that go beyond these initial requirements, and that is where we do our work. We can help you reduce assets to qualify for Medi-Cal. We can help you with that specific Medi-Cal application. We actually do it ourselves. So those are the areas that we address. So if you have a loved one who is either in a skilled nursing facility and their Medicare has run out, and you're facing private pay and a huge drain on their assets, or your spouse, so that the well spouse will eventually not have any nest egg for their own care should they need it, or a parent, give us a call. Or if you're facing this situation at home and your loved one's level of care has risen to needing to have long-term care in a skilled nursing facility, give us a call. We can help you with navigating the Medi-Cal system, navigating the nursing home, and generally setting your loved one up in a situation to preserve their hard-earned nest egg and receive care at a drastically reduced rate, if no cost at all. So that's a little clarification on Medi-Cal for long-term care for the aged and disabled. And if you're out there seeking services, I highly recommend getting help with this process. It's very difficult. And just a final note, we are in the Sonoma, Marin area, and that's generally where I like to practice in this work. However, if you do need a resource, I always recommend the American Academy of Estate Planning Attorneys. They have a website, and most of those attorneys, if not all of them, that practice in the state of California also do this work. Thank you.